There have been several outbreaks in our history, like the bubonic plague, that was caused by the infected rats in Europe in 1350s. Also, in 1750s, rinderpest was caused by infected cattle in Africa. And in 2020, it is COVID-19, which is believed to have originated by infected bats. The SIR model was found by Sir Ronald Ross, where S stands for susceptibles, I stands for infected, and R stands for recovered. When we add all of them at time t equal to 0, what we obtain is capital N, which is the total population of that region. The three equations are the quadratic ODEs, ordinary differential equations, that help in the modeling of pandemics. If a person is infected by an animal, that person would have at least met and infected two people. Now, these two people would have met two people each. So, what we observe is that the rate is doubling every time, and this increases. When we plot the graph, we can observe that initially the number of people affected are less, but at a point the curve becomes steeper. This sudden rise of the graph is referred to as the exponential growth. The virality coefficient is the rate at which people are infected. If VC is less than 1, it implies that the graph will be constant and the epidemic will eventually end, since one person infects zero point 0.5. And when we say one person infects zero point 0.5, it is the ratio. If VC is greater than 1, it means that the graph will have an exponential growth, since one person infects 1.1. In an epidemic, if we want to flatten the curve, we must take precautions and maintain social distancing. And stay home, stay safe.